Come on, video. Tornado warning!
This is an actual Weather Service office in Tulsa. The preceding signal was a test of a NOAA weather radio all hazard
You just
public
messed
warning
up.
system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially boat receivers, can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon. If there's a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of the broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability is normally more noticeable at greater distances
Distance from transmitter cannot occur even though you're using coverage receiver in good working order.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for
For
the
the
following
following
counties.
counties in Oklahoma, Adair,
Atoka, Bryan, Craig,
in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford,
Cole,
Franklin,
Delaware,
Madison, Scott,
Haskell, Hughes,
Sebastian, and
Lattimore,
Washington.
LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee,
This is a different guy, I think,
Oklaski,
because this isn't the same one.
Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee,
In Pittsburgh,
Pushmataha,
Rogers,
Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington counties. Western Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford,
Franklin.
Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington counties. Southwest Missouri, McDonald and Berry counties. And Southeast Kansas,
Chautauqua,
Labette, and Montgomery counties. This concludes this week's test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. Now return to our normal program.